In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Uber notifications on your iPhone or any mobile device. If you've ever found yourself constantly interrupted by updates and alerts from the Uber app, you're not alone. Receiving notifications when you're in the middle of something important can be quite distracting, and sometimes they come through at the least convenient times. Luckily, turning them off is a straightforward task. Let's go through the process step by step to ensure you can customize your Uber experience to better suit your needs. First, we're going to start by navigating to the Uber app on your mobile device. So go ahead and find the Uber icon, which is usually located on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap to open it. Once you're inside the app, look towards the bottom right corner. You should see a little symbol that looks like three lines or maybe even your profile picture. This is going to take you to your account section. Go ahead and tap on that. In the account section, you'll notice a list of different options. What you'll want to do here is find the section labeled Settings. Scroll down a bit if needed and tap on it to open it. Now you're in the Settings menu, which is where you can make various adjustments to how the app functions for you. Within this menu, there's an option for notifications. Click on that to open up your notification settings. Here is where you can see all the different types of notifications that Uber can send you. Take a moment to explore each option to fully understand what the impact would be if they were disabled. You might find certain notifications like trip updates or promotional alerts that you still want to keep active while disabling others. To turn off a specific notification, just toggle the switch next to each type from green to gray. This small change will disable that particular alert. Turning off notifications directly through the app is one way you can manage them. However, there's also an additional method on iPhones to control app notifications. You would do this outside of the app by going to your phone's settings. So let's quickly cover this option for comprehensive understanding. Exit the Uber app and go to your device's home screen where you find and tap on the Settings icon, which generally looks like a little gear. Once in Settings, scroll until you see the Notifications section and select it. Here, you'll be presented with a list of all your apps. Scroll down until you find Uber. Tap on it and you'll open your notification preferences specifically for Uber. Here, you have various options you can adjust, such as allowing notifications to appear on the lock screen or deciding whether they should make a sound. Remember, you can always toggle them back on if you ever change your mind, so don't worry about making adjustments. I hope this guide has helped you take control of your notification preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your apps efficiently.